Namaste, Vanakkam, Swagatam. Welcome to the wonderful International Day of Yoga celebrations, the SBV Yoga Mahotsav, being organized from June 13 to 21 at Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth, a deemed to be university, one of the top 100 universities of India, situated in Pondicherry, the land of the Siddhas. We are pleased to welcome you to this hybrid event, where on the 13th, we will have an in-person event here at SBV and then continue till the 21st with so many amazing speakers from all around the world, enhancing our understanding of how we can strengthen the cultural ethos of yoga therapy, or more correctly, yoga chikitsa. Please do join us either in person or virtually for this wonderful International Yoga Therapy Convention 2022. Looking forward to seeing all of you and meeting all of you either in person or in the virtual mode. Namaste, Dhanyavadaha. Thank you so much. Nandri.